Okay, everybody, here we are. It's nighttime. This is my 97 Hilux Surf. Just wanted to do a quick little video. Down underneath here on the left side, the passenger side, you may be wondering what these little brackets are for that are down here. And some of you may know that a road flare goes in that spot, and sometimes those road flares make it through customs and whatever and get into the US. And everybody I know that has one is afraid to use it, and they put it in a little box with all their collectible stuff from their JDM car. We have found an emergency flare that fits in there perfectly. I'll click it in. So you can see it is battery operated, and as you will see here in a moment, it has a magnetic base, so that if you are on the side of the road, you can just stick it onto the side of your car there. Pretty sweet. There's an affiliate link below. Thank you.